Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show an experiment on bioplastic. Before we go on, what is bioplastic? They are biodegradable plastic that are made from renewable raw materials like starch, sugarcane, recycled food waste and wood chips. They're 100% degradable too. Did you guys know that some species of bacteria naturally produce BHP? Like Pseudomonas micrococcus, etc. Here are some benefits from bioplastic. They are biodegradable, non-toxic, reduce the dependence of fossil resources, reduce carbon footprint, saves energy during the production, and helps in the reduction of plastic. Here are some things we can make from bioplastic: disposable tableware, bio-waste bag, flexible packaging, rigid packaging, carrier bags. Let's move on to our experiment. I'm going to show how to make bioplastic with just 4 ingredients in 2 different methods. There are also many different ways of making bioplastic, which is a better alternative than the conventional plastic. Let's have a look on the ingredients and their uses. Ingredients: glycerin. This helps the plastic to be more flexible and you can get this from a nearby pharmacy. Cornstarch. Even if you don't have this, you can use a corn flour instead. Vinegar. This helps in the breakdown of the cornstarch molecules. Water. This acts like a solvent to dissolve the starch. Take a pan, add a tablespoon of cornstarch and 4 tablespoons of water. Then add a teaspoon of glycerin and a teaspoon of vinegar. Now mix them well without turning on the flame. Then turn on the flame and stir the mixture until it becomes transparent. Now turn off the flame and spread this mixture into an aluminium foil. Let this mixture dry for 24 hours and your bioplastic is ready. Take a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 4 tablespoons of water. Add 1 tablespoon of glycerin and a teaspoon of vinegar. Now mix this mixture well and pour this mixture into a pan which has more surface, and now turn on the flame. After some time you can see it has become thick. Now turn off the flame and let this dry for around 5 to 10 minutes. If you guys want to make something out of this, see that you do it as early as possible, because later this becomes hard.